Okay, in this video we're going to talk about building a subscriber list, and this is probably going to be the most important thing that you're going to be able to do to monetize your blog. And basically what you're doing when you are building a subscriber list is that you are building a list of names and email addresses of people who are interested in your content. Now, there are several ways to monetize a list, but one of the ways in which you want to think about this is that when you have a list of names and email addresses, every time that you create new content, you can literally send thousands of new subscribers to, or thousands of subscribers to see your actual post and to react to it. Therefore, if you are reviewing a product, as we talked about in the last video, if you are introducing a new affiliate product or you have created a product of your own, when you have an email list, you can literally show that email list everything that you're doing new on your blog. If, let's say, you are doing AdSense or you are doing some form of passive monetization, you can send an email to your list with a link to your new page where they can go and see all of the content, and some will actually click on the passive AdSense links that you have there on the page. So what are you going to need in order to build your subscriber list? Well, you're going to first need an autoresponder. And one of the ways that you can do that, and I'll show you this here in a minute. We'll just slide this right over to your to the screen here. Name of the site is called aweber.com, and you may have already heard of it. aweber.com is a website where you can create an autoresponder message. You can collect names and email addresses, and Aweber will help you to send messages to them without any of them ending up going to the spam folder or without you getting in trouble with spam laws, because you just cannot send lots of emails from your regular Gmail account. You need to have something coming from a server that assures that you are not sending spam. And so you can create opt-in email lists that basically allow you to get permission from people to send them marketing messages. Okay, another company just like them, I've shown you Aweber, is called GetResponse. And I'll show you that here right now. GetResponse.com. It's the same kind of company, different from Aweber, but for the most part provides the same kind of service. You are basically collecting names and email addresses that you will use as your email database. Now, probably the most important thing that you'll need in order to get your subscriber list is that you'll need to give them a good reason to opt in. You'll need to give them a good reason to opt in. Now, what that means is that you're going to need to give them some kind of free report, and there are 4 basic rules to creating a free report. Number 1, you should be showing your readers something new. In other words, your readers are not going to want to opt in to learn something that everyone already knows. You should be showing them something new, something that's very important. If you are working with weight loss patients, or you're working with weight loss in that niche, you'll want to make sure you're sharing something important for them to know, something about weight loss that's important for them to know now. It's to your advantage when your report is written that it's something that they'll want to know immediately, because this will cause them to opt in, and it should be, of course, beneficial to them. It should benefit them immediately. It should benefit them right away. Those are the 3 basics that you're going to need in order to create that opt-in report. Now, this is the first of a couple of videos that we're going to be using to talk about building a subscriber list. It is the most important part to monetizing your site, because once you have an email subscriber list, you can literally command traffic to see everything that you're doing and to send traffic to your offers and affiliate offers. So this is a very important part of the series. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video where we'll be talking about part 2 of building a subscriber list in this monetizing your blog series of videos. Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about immediate monetization of your subscriber list. Now, we've already talked about the fact that you're going to want to have an autoresponder where you have people opting in to get something very special and immediate, beneficial and important to them in order to get their names and email addresses so that you can email them later. Now, one of the secrets of being able to work with the subscriber list is that you can do what some bloggers are able to do when you have established trust, and that is to monetize the list immediately. So the first contact, if you will literally send your new subscribers to an offer. Now, when you do this, it's good to do this on the thank you page because your subscribers are still new and they're getting used to the way that you are going to do things. Of course, you can either send them to an affiliate offer or you can send them to an offer that you have created yourself, or a product, information product that you've created yourself. And I'll show you what that looks like with probably one of the larger bloggers that you may have seen, and I'm going to show you their website here. If you go to buzzblogger.com, the blogger's name is Kim Roach. And Kim Roach, for the most part, right away gives you the opportunity to get her email updates. Now, this autoresponder, or this capture page, is literally an autoresponder. That's all it is. A little bit of code, and we'll actually show you this in a later video, in a bonus video. But she is collecting names and email addresses, and so what you'll do here is you will enter your name and email address. And what's going to happen is you're going to be sent an email that will allow you to confirm that you want the information. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what you'll actually see when you confirm the email. You'll be brought to a thank you page that looks something like this. So when you set up your autoresponder, you'll have the opportunity to set up your own thank you page. And you want to set up your thank you page so that you can monetize your list immediately. Now, in order to monetize your list immediately, you'll give them the free report, as you see Kim Roach doing here, but you will also be able to give them access to an offer. Remember, we talked about the fact that it should be immediate and of great benefit to them. So she says here's her #1 tool for creating killer squeeze pages. Now, if you're not working in the make money online niche, and you are doing something in a niche like weight loss or dog training, you'll want to cover something, or you want to send them to an offer that is of great importance now to them. So it really should be something that's fairly new and something that's going to teach them something important. So what happens when you click this link on her thank you page? You'll notice that this now sends you to an affiliate offer. Now, this is not her product. This is a well-known product in the make money online niche. And if you were to buy this product, she would get credit for the sale. Now, but I want you to do is to think about that in your niche. What would it be like for you to send your subscribers, your brand new subscribers, to an immediate offer? Some are going to be ready to buy right away. Some are going to be ready to buy based on the immediacy on that thank you page. Now, in other cases, you may not want to do that because you're trying to establish trust, and you may not want to do an immediate offer. You may want to wait until you've sent a couple of messages before you send an offer to your email subscriber list. But to monetize immediately is a strategy that you can use on the thank you page, because you'll never have subscribers as more willing to listen to your advice than when you first have them opt into your page. So as you think about this, think about some of the offers. Maybe you want to find a ClickBank offer. Maybe you want to find something that will really work for you. But you can literally find a great offer that will allow you then to monetize your list right away. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.